Hi, it's Liz Sneddon here. Let's have a look at stem and leaf graphs. So stem and leaf graphs, when we've got a small amount of numeric data, so it's not for categorical, this is for numeric, can be either discrete or continuous. So when we've got a small set, I would say, less than 20, 25 kind of size, then this is quite a useful way to visually display the data so you can see the shape of the distribution quite clearly. So there's two parts to it. There's a stem and a leaf. So what we do is we split the data. So if I look at the key down there, it says in the stem, the number 14, with the number 2 in the leaf, that number represents 14.2 seconds. So let's have a look at how we go about making these. So in our example there, we are going to focus in on the heights of students. And I want to first of all think about, I need my stem, so how am I going to split the numbers? Now when we split the numbers, we want to put usually one digit in the leaf and the rest of that number in the stem. So I look for the smallest number. So the smallest number is 155. So I'm going to take that number and I'm going to split it, and I want to have one digit, the last one, the last 5, I want to have that digit by itself, and I want the other 2 digits separate. So that's why I've now split this into a 15 and a 5. So now let's move that across. So that means my key. So 15 bar 5 is equal to 155 centimetres. So now let's take that number and I've moved that across. So I've split that now into a stem of 15 and a digit and the leaf of 5. The next number that we've got highlighted, our next number in the list, in the order, is 161. So when I take this number there, I'm going to split that number, and I'm going to split that into a 16 and a 1. I'm going to take number 169 and split that into a 16 and a 9. Then my next number is 182, but that means if I look at my stem, I've got 15, 16, normally 17 would come next. So I need to put that 17 in. I don't have any data there, but I need to have that. So now I'm going to split my 182, and lastly I'm going to split my 185. Thanks for watching.